Skeleton is basically, to suppose cell or skeleton, cell or bones basically, but the bones are made up of, the bones are enekwa cell or bones. These bones are nothing but microtubules naiba ki hobo pare microfilaments naiba hiot dutatke olop dangor microt ke olop dangor, that is intermediate filaments. Buji paisa? What is cyto? Cyto means cell. Skeleton means skeleton, cell or skeleton. Basically, these rod-shaped structures are nothing but the skeleton of the cell. It gives a shape to the cell. Hoy na nai? Because of this particular structure, cell or shape to hobo logote strength hobo na nohoy. Jodi ei bostu gita nathakile hoy cell or kiba thakibo niki shape thakibo nathake, aru shape nathakile loose hoi jabo no bostu to.